There's a little bird on the dumpster that we just got dumped or dropped off today, and he is making the weirdest sound. It's so weird. Our cat is out there. He's on the ground. You can kind of see the blur that is him. And the bird is right in the corner of the dumpster. If I open this door, he's gonna fly, but I can see his little throat, or her little throat, opening. It's weird. You hear it? What kind of little bird is it? I wonder if she's thirsty. I'll grab Stewie and put some water on for her. I'll be right back. Guys, look. Look at my makeshift greenhouse. Look at how well the plants are doing. I cannot believe, look at my cucamelon down here. It's starting to get flowers. I saved it. It's going nuts over here. I'm hoping it'll start kind of going towards this here and start climbing up. But this little guy, he's still kind of mad, but he's starting to flower, and there was one tomato on here right there. I think this is my black cram. And then this one was the chocolate sprinkles, which, oh look, oh, I have a whole bunch of them. Oh wow, look at those beautiful meters. And then the flowers that are coming in. Oh my goodness, look at the size of these. They're so cool. Hey, what are you doing in here? Look at the ones on this one back here. I mean, it's loaded with flowers, but look at the green maters down there. My rose. There's my tiny Tim. Sucks because I don't know what these are anymore because we had to move them so fast. Well, I guess this one is a golden one. Look at the artichokes. My peppers are actually getting quite a few. Look at them on this one. They're looking good. Got Black Beauty. Here's some more of the white ones. I got flowers coming back on my eggplants. They're looking great. Look at those zinnias. Oh. Oh, this guy. I cannot believe the size of this since I moved it in here. It's crazy. And then that rose behind my favorite colored straw flower. I mean, it's gotten humongous. My celery looks good. I gotta get in here and get it watered again, but oh my goodness. I can't believe how well this worked. I was worried because it's a 4 mil thick plastic, but they've done great. I still haven't watered, but gosh, last time I watered was probably about 2 weeks ago. And it's keeping enough moisture and humidity in here that, I mean, look at them. I cannot believe I might have stumbled upon the secret to Colorado growing inadvertently. I've known it all along. We just did not have the means to make it happen. These cattle panels are game changers. I can't wait until we can actually make real baby greenhouses. It's pretty cool. Alright, check out the fennel. It's flowering already too. We have not, oh, it came back. Look, I got an artichoke back here. Sweet. I have 3 fennels. And then, of course, my mixed marigolds, the rhubarbs, and the asparagus kind of have already died back. The rhubarb looks great. So, we got a dumpster to get all the rest of the broken down branches and chairs and basically all the junk that's on that side of the house over there. We had a yard sale with our God Pop. Got a lot of the stuff in there gone. Most of this stuff is going into the dumpster as well. So that will be empty. And then we can start working on kind of what we're going to do for the winter out here. I am still kind of hoping and praying to move. And so I don't want to do like massive changes, but we'll see how it plays out here. I cannot believe how big these marigolds got back here. They are amazing. They're hip high. It's crazy. Got the girls some treats at Tractor Supply today with my mom. Get rid of all these sunflower stalks and just kind of the rest of the broken stuff out here. We may have to go and get the railroad ties for this part because I want to be able to get rid of all this crappy stuff before we get the dumpster gone. So anyway, this weekend is going to be a busy weekend. It's going to be a busy weekend. Work back here. Oh, I'm glad that the marigolds are still feeding those guys. So the bottle gourd definitely did not bounce back as well as I thought it would. I thought it had survived the snow, but I think it was just a slow kill. I don't know, maybe. That looks like that's all new. But we'll see. Anyway, we're just gonna keep working on cleaning up and rearranging and moving things around, and hopes of getting a bigger piece of land. So it will feel good to get all the garbage out of here. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that update. Dumpster is in the works, and cleanup this week. So it's exciting. So I will catch you guys next time. Grow as you go. We'll see you later. Yeah.
He's about the size of Emmerich. Hoping it would get better. I think I definitely
She's broken. The cat is broken.
There's a big mistake. I tried to add color. These were the final 2.
Goofy animal Ogie.
Take a close look.
Ogie.
I love these shapes because like I drew
Ogie.
from like him right
Are you watching Waffles with me? Huh? You silly girl.
I know.